So guys, don't have a good setup here, so what is up? How's it going, folks? I'm bored today, so was listening to some playlists that I have, and the Teskey brothers came out, and I was wondering how you play this song. The song is called Rain, and I found the chords online. They're kind of basic. It's a simple song to play. I'm gonna just share with you guys how I play it. It's pretty similar to what's already provided on Ultimate Guitar tabs. You can check it out yourself. But this is how it goes. And I may sing along, but I'm nowhere near that voice range, so just bear with me. So it starts off with the A. So chords A, F sharp minor, F major, E, D, B minor, and then back to your A. Eventually hit that D minor, and then I added in a couple chords, and then but we're gonna try to keep this sweet and going. So intro's A, but you can put it like this, so it might like kind of like a A7. This is major, but changing the fingering. Start singing, and it is that rain? Oh, are you crying again? Would it be the same if I could hold you, my friend? I know it's hard be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, and I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone. Now there's a cloud between us all, and the road ain't so clear, but we can still walk or crawl. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, and I know it's hard. I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone, to be alone. That's where it goes from here. To be alone, yeah. Then the D. Oh, so little, come to me now. I wanna hold you in any way I know how. We're flying now, we're powerful now. I'm gonna hold you in any way I know how. Well, is that rain? Oh, am I crying again? A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, and I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone, to be alone, yeah, yeah. but I know it's gonna be something like that. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoy, have fun with it. I'm not the best, but it's something you guys can work on, play with. Peace out.